All right, y'all, pause that real quick. So I just want to show y'all this quick. I got the motor back, you know what I mean? If y'all haven't checked out last video, but what we doing right now is just kind of prepping the cams. If you guys, I guess you can call it on the budget, because it's kind of, I know it's on the budget, but some stuff you can't cheap out on, you know what I mean? But in this case like this, I got some surface rust on her. I didn't put, any oil on it before I stored it and put it away. So got some surface rust building up. Now, I don't want to scratch the cams, so I do have fine steel wool. Like, you want to get the finest you can get so that you don't, scratch or mess up your cams. But in turn, you either want to get some PB Blaster or WD-40. I didn't really take a before result, but you guys can kind of see this is the after, just what I've been working. Everything kind of looks pretty decent up to this point. And then you guys can kind of see the before from what it did look like, what I worked from on the other side. Yeah. So whenever I get done scrubbing these down, I'm probably gonna do this about 2 or 3 times. It'll be the first time today. And then maybe go over a little later or something. I'll show you guys the finished product whenever this is done. Yeah, some of that's coming off there too, so. All right, y'all, so first cam is officially done. As you guys see, it cleaned up very nice, very nice. I probably could have got a little bit better. I mean, I am doing this out of my garage off of a flashlight, but I just wanted majority of that rust out, and then I'm gonna get in between the crevices there before I store it back up, before we put it all back in. But yeah, wipe it down and see what's all left. Like, I can see some scrapey marks there from the rust. Not scrape marks, but rust. So came out pretty good. Now we're gonna knock that one out there. It's crazy what a little elbow grease would do, as the saying would go. But yeah. All right, you guys, so cams are done for right now. I'll go over them again later, but for a first round of going over them, they came out pretty decent. So yeah, for a first round of it, I mean, it came out pretty decent. And then here's the other one. I'll probably go over it some more, but you guys kind of get the gist. And again, you guys want to do the same process that I did. Just grab some steel wool like this. Make sure it's the finest grade that you can find. And then as far as the bottle that I use, you can just grab some PB Blaster. WD-40 will work as well too, but I mean, that's the turnout. So I mean, it turned out pretty good. So other than that, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I mean, I don't really got too much this video, but a solution. So I'll get back with y'all in a little bit, and peace.